Hi, John Ross here again. Welcome to episode 3 of what we call Many to Come. And in this episode, I'd like to talk to you about power. Suppose you understand what this is. It's a light bulb, or as most people would try and tell you, it's an energy saving device because it consumes a lot less electricity than a normal incandescent light bulb when it's on. Obviously it consumes exactly the same electricity when it's switched off, which is zero. Now, what is this? For most of you, it's a printer. But this is also an energy saving device because this product, when it's printing, consumes a little bit less electricity than your standard laser printer does. But more importantly, when it's idle, it consumes about 1/10 of the electricity that a standard laser printer does when it's idle. So therefore, it saves energy. Now let's put that into some perspective. So when idle, the LED printer you see before you can save something like about 17 kilowatts per hour. So if you scale that up, looking at say 23 hours a day it's not printing, then you add in weekends where it's not printing at all for 24 hours a day, then something like in a year you have a saving of 145,000 kilowatt hours per machine. Now to put that into some sort of perspective, IDC predict that the sales of this kind of product for the UAE alone in FY11 is something like 250,000 units. So if 10% of those were this kind of technology, then that's 25,500 units. So multiply the numbers together, you get something like 3.68 million kilowatt hours, which if at the DEWA rate that we pay here in Dubai, that's 20 fills for the first 10,000 and 33 fills for anything over 10,000, you could be saving 1.3 million dirhams a year in electricity costs, if only 10% of the market converted to this type of product. In dollar terms, that's about $330,000, and I say this is just the UAE. If we scaled this up to the Middle East, we scaled this up to the world, the savings are phenomenal. So don't just save your light bulbs and switch your light bulbs, switch your printer.